Hey, HSE study crew, picture a busy airport cargo bay, a forklift humming, then crash. It flips, crushing a worker. On August 29, 2023, this nightmare hit Boston's Logan Airport, killing 51-year-old Raul Orengo Santiago, a Desert Storm veteran. OSHA's investigation shook the industry, slapping $46,096 in fines. Forklifts kill approximately 85 workers yearly, per OSHA stats. Welcome to The Day the Forklift Flipped, OSHA Case Breakdown. A deep dive into Logan's tragedy, what went wrong, and how to prevent it. We're narrating Raul's story, unpacking OSHA's violations, and sharing safety tips to save lives. Workers, safety pros, employers, this is your forklift safety wake-up call. Grab a notepad. You're about to lock in safety for 2025. Forklifts are vital but deadly, causing 7,000 injuries annually. OSHA's Powered Industrial Truck Standard, violated 2,219 times in 2024, demands training, seatbelts, and maintenance. Fines hit $16,131 per violation in 2025, but lives like Raul's are the real cost. Let's break down the Logan Airport case, what failed, and how you can stop it. The accident. A forklift flips. It's a hot August day in 2023, Logan Airport's Terminal C loading area. Raul, a shift supervisor for Oxford Airport Technical Services, a JetBlue subcontractor, is driving a Komatsu forklift. He's moving cargo through a low bag service entrance. Untrained on this model, no seatbelt on, he raises the forks too high. The forks and mast clip the entrance's overhang. The forklift tips sideways, Raul falls out, unbelted, and the 5-ton machine crushes him. Co-workers use an aircraft tow bar to lift it, but paramedics can't save him. OSHA's called, and the probe reveals a preventable disaster. OSHA breakdown. What went wrong? OSHA's March 2024 report cited 4 serious violations, totaling $46,096 in fines. First, no seatbelt. Raul wasn't wearing one, and Oxford didn't enforce use. OSHA mandates seatbelts to prevent ejection and tip-overs. A belt could have saved him. Second, improper fork height. The forks were raised beyond the minimum needed, unbalancing the load. OSHA requires forks just above the ground. Third, no training. Raul wasn't certified for the Komatsu or site hazards like low entrances. OSHA demands model-specific training. Fourth, damaged forklift. The forklift wasn't inspected or removed from service despite issues. OSHA requires pre-use checks. These failures cost Raul's life, leaving his wife, son, and daughter devastated. Real-world lessons. Logan's tragedy isn't alone. In 2024, in Elm Mott, Texas, tire warehouse worker died when a pallet fell. OSHA cited training and storage failures, $100,000 in fines. A 2024 Alabama forklift struck a worker due to no spotter, $30,000 fine. But winds shine. A 2025 Ohio warehouse mandated seatbelts and training, 0 incidents, $50,000 saved. A 2025 ex-post praised a Georgia crew's daily forklift inspections, caught a faulty brake, $20,000 spared. HSE smarts, training, checks, belts, save lives. Why do forklift flips happen? No training. Operators lack model-specific skills. A 2024 Florida tip-over cost $25,000 for no certification. No seatbelts, ejections kill and rollovers. High forks, unstable loads tip easily. Damaged equipment. Uninspected forklifts fail. Unmarked hazards, low entrances strike. OSHA's 2024 data shows 40% of forklift injuries involve tip-overs. HSE fixes this. Certify, buckle, inspect. Your prevention plan. Train operators, certify on each forklift model, refresh every 3 years. A Kedozer Huzonagi Virginia program cut, risks Huzanot Sazalek. Mandate seatbelts, no belt, no driving. A 2025 Louisiana rule saved a worker. Keep forks low, just above ground, balanced loads. A 2024 Missouri check dodged a $15,000 fine. Inspect daily. Check brakes, forks, masts. Remove damaged units. A 2025 Arizona sweep spared $10,000. Mark hazards. Flag low entrances. Tight spaces. A 2024 Kentucky marker saved $12,000. Use spotters for blind spots, tight areas. A Ketozer Huzanot, Nevada. Spotter Megaletot Egi Balisetet. For HSE fans, forklift safety is life or death. Less tragedy, more control. Your mission, HSE study crew? Don't let Raul's fate strike your workplace. Buckle up, train hard, inspect daily, stop the flip. That Ohio win that Georgia saved? They're your blueprint. Pause this, check your forklifts. Seatbelts enforced? Operators certified? Tomorrow, inspect one unit, flag one hazard. Hit hsustudy.in for free forklift safety checklists. OSHA Guides HSE Gold. Share this with your crew. One watch could save a life. Subscribe to HSE Study, hit the bell. We're dropping Safety Fire weekly. Let's keep forklifts upright. See you safe out there.